Hey guys, we pay a big obeisance to you all. So today we would like to tell our personal experience of Glorious Institute.
So firstly, we are chuffed to bits or tickle pink that we have got to speak about Glorious Institute.
So today we all know that English has become more monumental and paramount for us. And Glorious Institute is overhead and is the best for learning English.
Because in Glorious Institute, every day is like a red letter day here. Because here every day we learn many things like role play, voice modulation, question session, debate, chit task, and presentation, and many more.
And as well as we learn how to speak in front of 100 people with full of confidence because it's conducted gathering classes every Sunday.
And second thing I would like to say that there is dichotomy between Glorious Institute and other institute. Other institute are best, but they can't hold a candle to the Glorious Institute.
Because it creates that an environment where we can let our free flag fly without get the jitters. Because here sir and all the students embolden each other.
And when we came here, at that time we didn't know even E of English. Now you can see we are able to speak just because of our supercalifragilisticexpialidocious Jordan sir.
He is jovial, jocund, sociable person. He makes things fascinating, gripping and piece of cake.
And sir never let the student forget those things which is taught by Jordan sir. So thank you sir.
We are very glad to have you as our mentor.
And as well as we are very glad to be a part of this institute. So thank you guys
For listening to us.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here this is me Aarti Rawat in front of you, and today I'm going to share my views about this Glorious Institute. So if you're the one who is looking for any English institute, so here this is going to be one of the best English institute for you guys, because here you will get different ways to enhance your English. For instance, here you'll get debate tasks, discussion, voice modulation, role play, and so on. And if you're thinking like being a part of this institute, I'm just blowing smoke and admiring this institute, so I just want to tell you that don't trust me, but here you will get 3 days trial classes. Just do join it for those 3 days, and then you will get to know how good this institute is. And I am giving you guarantee that you are definitely not going to leave this institute for sure. And just do join it. This is really the best institute where you will get the quality education, not only English and learning English. So do.
Hey guys, my name is Tanishq and I am from Glorious Institute. Today I am gonna give you a brief and positive feedback of this institute. Getting admission in this institute is one of the best decisions of my life because the teacher, our venerable Jordan sir, is a unique teacher because the way how he teaches us is so different from another English teacher. Our venerable Jordan sir used to take classes on different topics, and there are so many different kind of sessions on different days, like debate session, interview session, question and answer session, chit task sessions, and idioms, phrases and vocabulary word sessions. If you are an introvert person or get the jitters while public speaking, and idioms, phrases and vocabularies are your Achilles heel, then I would definitely recommend you this institute. I am not just blowing the smoke. Come and take 3 days demo classes and then you will get to know. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Sujal Rao and I'm a student at the Glorious Institute of English, and I have just completed my IELTS examination with overall 6.5 bands. This institute is the best way to improve your communication skills and especially speaking. Our venerable Jordan sir teaches English, advanced English, effectively with so much fun. Like there are voice modulation classes, debate sessions, speeches on multifarious topics. And if I talk about myself, I have improved so much just because of Jordan sir. You must join Glorious Institute as this is perfect for people who don't want to learn English only, but who want to achieve something great in their life. Thank you so much.
Califragilisticexpialidocious. Hello everyone, this is Poonam and this is Nancy. So we want to share our experience with you all. It has been 1 month to me in Glorious and I have seen a lot of change in myself. My vocabulary, way of talking, voice modulation has become great. I can speak English with confidence.
And I have been also completed my 2 months in Glorious Institute. So
because Glorious gave me motivation, good personality development, and good family environment by the other students. So you can easily learn and improve yourself. Yeah, we know there are many coaching centers who are providing English classes, but Glorious is one and only English institute who are not just providing English classes, but much more than that. Like debate classes, role play classes, and grammar classes. So you can enjoy these classes.
Hello friends, my name is Simon Kumar. Today I am going to talk about Glorious Institute. As you know that in this numeric world, English communication skill plays very imperative role in our life. If you also enhance and flourish your communication skills, so I want to prefer you Glorious Institute. Why am I suggesting you Glorious Institute? Because here lots of activities are done like role play, debate, speech, chat task, group discussions, and voice modulation classes. If you also want to enhance and flourish your communication skills, so please come here and join this institute. Thank you so much.
Very glorious good morning to all who all are present here. I am Vinita and today I want to share my experience about Glorious Institute. So you all know that when I didn't join the Glorious Institute, I don't know how to communicate with people and how I do my self-confident. But after joining the Glorious Institute, I know how to communicate with people and how do I make myself confident. When first day I sit in the class, I don't talk to anyone because I thought that I wouldn't be able to speaking English. But Jordan sir motivate me for come front of all and speaking English. I will help you. After that day, I change my personality, I change my life, and I do hard work and I learn English. And now I can communicate with people in English. And this is possible for me only for Jordan sir. Thank you so much sir for giving me that much knowledge and motivate me in first day. And I get my result within 1 month. So if you want to change your life, if you want to make yourself confident, if you want to communicate with everyone in English, so join this institute. After few months you will get your result. So really thank you so much for bottom of my heart for motivate me and develop myself. So thank you all for listening me.
Hello everyone, I am Parminder Kaur and I am also a learner of this institute. In this institute, we not only learn English language but also learn how to increase our confidence. In this institute, they were not giving only bookish language but also giving the outer world's knowledge. In this institute, their teachers are very humble and kind. They treated us very nicely. So I only want to say you please come, and if you want to learn English language, so please come only Glorious Institute. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I am Sapna Rana. I am a student of Glorious Institute. Today I am sharing my experience of Glorious Institute. This is the biggest platform to learn English. Here we can easily evaluate our confidence level. And the environment of this institute is very fabulous. I feel very comfortable. When I came to this institute first day, I was very nervous. But within 1 week, I felt very confident and my confidence level increased a lot. Here, many activities are done like role play, question session, debate, group discussion, chit task and voice modulation also. And what I say about Jordan sir? Jordan sir is sagacious person. He is multi-talented person and his behavior is very fabulous and good. He lives like a friend, not like a teacher with everyone. And this institute is not only to teach us English but also to improve our skills and confidence. If you want to enhance your skills, so please join this institute and visit once. Thank you.
Hi, this side Lokesh. I live in Delhi at Madangir. I hope you all are good. As we all know that English is mandatory in this notaric era. If we are not able to speak English, so people judge us as illiterate person. But there is nothing to worry. We have Glorious Institute where we can go and we can increase our confidence level. We can increase our vocabularies, and in the Glorious Institute there's lots of activities like debate session, interview session, role play, outdoor classes, cheat task, and etc. etc. If you really want to speak English, so I will recommend you must go in the Glorious Institute. If you are going as a zero, so congrats, you are going to become a hero. Thank you.